Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to reset your Samsung normal HD TV. Okay, to reset your Samsung TV to the factory default, first of all you need to change the pin code first. If you don't have the pin code, you cannot reset your TV. And first of all, you need to press manual on your remote control, this button, and then go all the way down to this setup. Press the right button and then go down to change pin, and you will see a pin for pin digit number will display on your screen. So first of all, you need to input your default pin first. So the default pin from the factory will be 000 4 times. So you just press 0 and 0 another 0, and then now you can change your new pin to your TV. So for example, I want to change it to 9 9 9 and 9, and then you just need to repeat confirm the code pin code again. Please make sure you input the easy number that you will not forget this pin code. So next time when you want to reset the TV, the TV will ask you to input your pin code once again. So now we successfully reset and change the pin code. Then you just press confirm, OK. Now you need to go to reset the TV. So press the left button and then go all the way down to support here and select, and press another right button, and now you can see the word reset here. So just go down and press select on it, and now it's time to input your pin code. So I input my pin code. It's 9 9 9 and 9. And now it asks you one final question. The setting will return to factory default. Just confirm OK and select on it. And now your TV is resetting all the function to the factory default. Okay, and that's all for today's video of how you can reset your Samsung normal HD TV. And thank you everyone for your time watching this video, and I hope you can reset your TV to the factory default. And thank you, bye bye, and have a nice day.